My name is Johanna Mason. I am the coordinator of engagement and I oversee the after-school program. This program is really important because after-school care is a big need in the community, and then also students need help with their homework, and a lot of kids these days especially need more time to have one-on-one interaction with adults.
This program isn't only geared towards after-school care, but it's more of a holistic approach. We really focus on health and wellness, so we feed the kids healthy snacks and we get them moving. We work on literacy and writing and math.
Helping the kids, first of all, just have another adult in their life who cares about them, and also hopefully we're helping them with the academics.
The mission of the after-school program is to provide an open space for students, to provide an opportunity for families to be in a building that is safe, that allows them to grow and to learn and to exercise skills they're learning in their everyday lives, but with people who have a heart to be a part of their lives.
The kids are having fun. They like being part of the program.
This place is the best place ever.
The time spent with the kids is very rewarding. They just recognize me as Big Bill.
I get to smile.
We welcome you, and the kids will welcome you.
My name is Raymonte. I have learned that perfect is not always perfect, and you can always just try.
I've learned that friendship doesn't end here.
Are you the person to volunteer in the after-school program here at Christ Memorial? I know God is calling men and women like you, men and women in our church, whether young or senior saints, to volunteer here. The kids not only experience the love and joy of God in this program, but the volunteers also experience this.
At this point, we definitely need some more people to help as tutors. It would be ideal for the kids if we could have one-on-one.
I wish there was more volunteers.
My name's Andrew. Maybe some of you parents can come in and help us.
So you might think that taking this role of a volunteer is very small and minute, but it's actually a big job, and it means a lot to the student.
I think it's taking care of the sheep as we're called to do.
Volunteering matters because you love someone that you can see, that you can touch, that you can hear, that you can feel, that you can build a relationship with.
So your volunteering could impact one child, and that one child can impact a whole community, and that can in turn change our community.
So if you want to make a difference in the world, if you want to impact our community, if you want to change a child's life, then volunteer at our after-school program at Christ Memorial.